iData is an application that allows business users to do data manipulation, data transformations, and calculations. iData is able to read any local document like text, CSV, or Excel files. iData is also able to read Office documents, but also to take data from web pages or clipboard. Now, we will open this text file with iData. This text file is a matrix, but iData will automatically detect the number of columns if the column's name, first row name, is header and the column data types. In this matrix, there is 3 row headers and 1 column header. So an option is to turn automatically this matrix into a table by setting the number of rows in the header and the number of columns also in the header. Now we will turn this matrix into a table that will be directly consumable by another application. I will now open and copy data from a website. These data are the top 100 companies based on the current market revenue. I will copy the data into iData, and iData will again detect the structure of the dataset. I will do the same for another web page that is the top 100 companies based on the fiscal year net. So I will copy the data into iData and do some transformations. The objective is to merge those 2 datasets in a single one. So I will rename the 2 rank column by rank for the market and rank for the sales. Now I will modify the sales column by removing the currency and do the same also for the market capitalization by removing the currency in order to have pure numeric data. The objective is to merge those 2 datasets, so I have the option between different ways to merge datasets. I choose intersection. Now I have the 2 datasets that have been merged and only the common country and common companies between the 2 datasets have been kept in this final dataset. I will also replace the value for Russian Federation by Russia, that is a real country name. And I will create a global ranking that is the addition between the rank market and the rank sales. Now I will export this dataset in a CSV format. So choose the different option for the file export and then export the dataset. Now I will switch from iData to SAP Visual Intelligence to use this dataset. I'm selecting the exported dataset, so top 100 CSV. Now I will create a geographic hierarchy and using the country as the country name. And of course, just update the information that are invalid. And now I will create the same also for the year, creating a time hierarchy and create measures for all relevant columns that can be used as measures. Once my metadata created, I can visualize the result of my dataset. So I will use first a geographic chart representation to see the cells over my different geography. And now do the same also within the market capitalization. I switch to a bar chart to see also the detail for each country within two measures, market capitalization and sales summary, and do also a representation over a heat map, and I will add also the year as a second area name. This will terminate the demonstration of iData. Thank you.